In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with CJ Dropshipping. To get started, first make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a panel with various options. What we're interested in today is the Apps tab, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Apps section, it's time to find the CJ Dropshipping app. This is where all the magic happens, as CJ Dropshipping is a powerful tool that can streamline your dropshipping operations. To locate it, simply use the search function at the top of the page. Type in CJ Dropshipping and watch as Shopify finds the app for you. Once you spot the CJ Dropshipping app in the search results, click on it to go to its app page. On the CJ Dropshipping app page, your next step is to install the app. You'll see a button labeled Install. Click that to begin the installation process. It's a straightforward procedure, but if it's your first time doing this, Shopify might ask for permission to integrate the app with your store. No worries here. Just follow the prompts to grant access and let Shopify do its thing. After successfully installing CJ Dropshipping, you'll be taken directly to the CJ Dropshipping website. Now, this is an important step, so listen closely. To establish a successful connection between Shopify and CJ Dropshipping, you'll need to log into your CJ Dropshipping account. Enter your credentials just as you normally would. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one before starting this process. Once you're logged in, the integration between Shopify and CJ Dropshipping should be seamless, and that's all there is to it. With CJ Dropshipping now linked to your Shopify store, you're ready to explore and take advantage of all the amazing dropshipping features it offers. Feel free to navigate around the CJ Dropshipping platform and check out the vast selection of products you can sell. The setup might have been quick, but remember that these tools are designed to save you both time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. If you encounter any issues during this process, there's always support available through Shopify's Help Center or CJ Dropshipping's customer service. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy dropshipping.